The QIP work plan layout follows the model for improvement and includes an aim section, a measure section, and a change section. The aim column in red identifies the quality dimension. What are we trying to accomplish? The measure column contains valuable information that helps answer the question, how do we know that a change is an improvement? In the measure section, we find name of the indicator, the type of indicator, mandatory, priority, or custom, the unit of measurement that is used for the indicator and the population to which the indicator applies, the source of the data and the interval of time the indicator is measured, for example, January to December, your organizational ID, your current performance. Where possible, priority indicators have been pre-populated with organizational current performance. For new indicators, organizations may use collecting baseline. In order to protect patient privacy, we ask that you suppress with an X any indicators with numerators less than 5 and a denominator less than 30. Target performance. The performance levels that you want to achieve expressed in the same units as your current performance. It represents markers of excellence to which your organization can aspire. Target justification. We ask that organizations provide a rationale for how target performance has been set, including the source. For example, reference the best performance achieved by comparators such as the top 20th percentile of academic hospitals. Most examples of target justifications or rationales can be found in the QIP guidance document. You are also encouraged to include any challenges and risks and how they inform your target setting. And external collaborators. List for each of the indicators those external partners that you are working with. The change column is where all information related to the proposed change ideas are included. This column helps us to strategize on what changes can we make that will result in the improvements that we seek. The first column in the change section is called Plan Change Initiatives. Here we ask that you provide details about the change ideas that will lead to improvement. Organizations are encouraged to include at least 4 change ideas per indicator because it typically takes many change ideas to influence the outcome. Methods. This column identifies the step-by-step methods the organization will be using to track progress on the change ideas. Here you can include details such as how and by whom, for example, which department, the data on the change ideas will be collected, analyzed, reviewed, and reported. Process measures. This section, the measure that evaluates whether the change idea being tested is working as planned, is included. Processes must be measurable as rates, percentages, and/or as numbers over specific time frames. Target for process measures. The target or goal should be SMART. So by SMART, we mean specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time sensitive. And lastly, comments. This is where any additional comments about the initiative should be included, such as factors for success, partnerships, linkages to other programs. If your organization elects not to include a priority indicator in the QIP, then this must be documented in the comment section. The QIP work plan follows the Ontario Health Matrix of priority indicators. Many will require cross-sectoral or multi-organizational commitment to achieve success. The indicators are grouped according to 3 key prioritized areas. Theme 1, timely and efficient transitions. Theme 2, service excellence. And Theme 3, safe and effective care. Health equity remains the underpinning of all indicators. Therefore, health equity has also been included in the work plan to allow organizations to include custom indicators related to this important area. All mandatory and priority indicators are visible in the work plan. Should an organization wish to create a custom indicator or modify a priority indicator, they can do so by clicking on Add New Measure. How to create custom indicators will be covered in another video. This concludes the overview of the QIP work plan in Navigator.